This next trick is kind of a neat one. It uses a regular deck of cards and a rubber band. I'm gonna mix the deck of cards up. Have the spectator select a card, any card that they like. Let's say they picked that one. Can even give the deck another shuffle. A few cuts. Okay. The spectator looks at their card, remembers it. I'm gonna put it in the deck of cards, completely losing it in the deck. Okay, I have no idea where it is. And I'm just gonna give the deck a few cuts and maybe even another shuffle, just so their card is completely lost in the deck. Now, I'm gonna take the rubber band, place it around the deck, give the deck a cut with the rubber band around it. And now the magic. One card flips out of the deck, and wouldn't it be amazing if that was your card? And that's the self-cutting deck. And it's not difficult to do. It's just kind of a different card reveal. You have a regular deck of cards, have the spectator pick a card, and then you have to get the card to the bottom of the deck. So whichever way you do it will work best for you. This is the way I did it. I put the card about halfway in the deck, and then when I square up the deck, I get a break. So I push the card in, and since I want it on the bottom of the deck, I just lift up a little bit on that card, and when I square up the deck, I get a little break right here. So the card is now up right here. There's my break. I hold it with my palm and then just give the deck a cut right at that break, and that gets the card to the bottom. And then with these cards, I just usually do a 2-cut on top of that. So the card's on the bottom. Then when you go and grab for the rubber band, you get a pinky break on the bottom card. And then when you put the rubber band around the deck, just put it over that pinky break card, the bottom card. So you're rubber banding all the cards except for the bottom one, which is their card. And then just give the deck a cut, pull over, twist, and then tuck under. And then now, when you drop the deck, it'll automatically kick one card out, which is the one that wasn't rubber banded, and that's the selected card. Now, depending on your rubber band, if you're here, sometimes you can also, once you get your pinky break, put the rubber band around the deck, cut them, twist. If you lay them on the table, sometimes if your rubber band is strong enough, it'll kick out the top half and shoot the card out. And sometimes it'll shoot it out on the table, but this rubber band is not best for that, but it still will shoot it out if you drop the deck. And that's the self-cutting deck. Easy to do with the rubber band. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe as always. And if you want, let me know in the comments what you think. Until next time.